everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's take a look at today's key phrase. It's too dangerous to put your hand there. Let's break it down. Today's skill is expressing limits that have been exceeded. We can add to before an adjective to show that someone or something has exceeded a limit. We can then say what that limit is by adding to followed by a verb. For example, this car is too expensive to buy. This is the same as so that I can't. It's so expensive that I can't buy it. It's too expensive to buy. If you want to describe a countable noun, you can add many after to. If you want to describe an uncountable noun, you can add much after to. We can also use this grammar to show that necessary limits haven't been met. For example, he's too short to touch the ceiling. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Let's have a look at the structure. Subject, be, to, adjective. It's too dangerous. Then to, followed by a verb. To, put your hand there. It's too dangerous to put your hand there. Let's look at some examples. You should go together. It's too dangerous to go alone. There's too much pollen to go outside. There are too many tasks to finish. He is too short to touch the ceiling. He is too young to buy beer. It's already 11 p.m. It's too late to meet. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. If you would like to practice the grammar in today's class, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.